Everybody, this is Troy with C8 Garage. Hey, I wanted to show you guys the cover that came with Corvette from GM. I ended up getting the high wing spoiler, even though it was discontinued for a period of time, and then I finally got it. But they did send me the cover that was for it, and I'm really happy with how it fits and how snug it is. So I'll take a little walk around here for you on the cover. So this is the cover, and make sure if you are getting the high wing option, if you just get the standard cover, there won't be enough material on the back end here to extend up for the high wing. It'll be cut in tighter because of the Z51. So just make sure, if you are opting to get potentially a high wing. Now, awesome, I wanted to tell you, I had this on the car before the high wing, and it fit perfect. It fit good. It was maybe a little baggy on the rear end, but not bad. But it definitely fits much better with the high wing. But I thought the one thing I'd just let you know is that I think the high wing option cover would still work fine with the Z51 wing, but it will not probably work if you get the true Z51 cover, because like I said, the material in the back end will be shortened up, and it will not extend if you ever decide to get the high wing. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to show it real quick. I don't know if you can kind of see the logo. From a distance, I mean, so like there, it kind of disappears at certain angles, if you can kind of tell. So it's kind of ghosted in there. Looks kind of cool. There's red stitching. And the mirrors fit nice and snug. It's really easy to put on. I mean, ideally you want to, I don't know, some people may have never put on a cover, but when I roll mine up, I roll the back end up all the way up to about here, and then I roll the front end. I untuck the front end, and then I undo the mirrors, and then I roll it all the way down, and then I tuck the front end over the top, so that when I fold it up and I put it over to the side, it's easy to find that front end when you lay it back out. But I'll do a better video of me taking that off here. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing great. Please subscribe to the channel and like if you could. And I will see you on the next one. Be safe.